How to set up your email signature in DreamMail. This demo assumes you've already opened DreamMail. Click on the Tools menu. Click on Signature Management. Click New to create a new signature. You will be asked for a signature name. We are going to create a signature for work, so let's just name it Work Signature. Click OK to continue. You have successfully added the new signature. You are already in the signature editing area, so let's add our work signature. Note that you will have a WYSIWYG editor. Let's try out the WYSIWYG editor a little bit. Select the URL and press this button to make it italic. Good. Now let's make the name bold. Highlight it and click this button. That's it. Let's save this signature. Click on this icon to save the signature. That's it. You have saved it. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to set up your email signature in DreamMail.